Come test drive this 2014 Ford Focus. With just over 15,000 miles on the odometer, this hatchback hits the mark with consumers demanding economical versatility. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, delay-off headlights, a tachometer, a trip computer, an outside temperature display, and much more. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.